Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today we are thrust back into one of the most controversial issues in the news these days, as Microsoft employees have again used corporate resources for their own political issue. Let's jump into it. So just last week, we had this Palestinian protest on Microsoft's campus, which was supposedly about Microsoft allowing Israel to use its products in the fight against Hamas in Gaza. I'm honestly not convinced that these protesters are really certain which products of Microsoft Israel is using. I think it's more likely that they just want to get more attention for their broader message by leveraging Microsoft's public image or notoriety. But I'm sure some folks will take them at their word, and that's fair. But here's a quick clip from last week as a refresher.
Hey, what's up? 100%.
Well, that was last week, and it happened again this week. Seemingly the same group of people staged a protest inside the office of Brad Smith, a vice chairman of Microsoft, and it looked and sounded just like you'd imagine. Here's a clip.
Brad Smith, you're a liar!
You set Palestine on fire!
You set Palestine on fire!
Tuesday's sit-in was organized by the group No Azure for Apartheid, a reference to a report that the Israeli government has been using Microsoft's cloud storage program.
We are not leaving until you are forced to confront the crimes that you are enabling.
We are here to deliver our demands because they have been refusing to answer all of our demands to end their complicity in the genocide in Gaza.
Right, okay, so here is the guy whose office they stormed, Brad Smith, responding to the incident.
That's not okay. When they're asked to leave and they refuse, that's not okay.
Smith addressed the incident in an impromptu press conference hours after the arrests.
We've had to act, and we have and we will, and yet at the same time, I want to be clear, we respect the freedom of expression that everyone in this country enjoys as long as they do it lawfully. If they storm buildings, if they occupy offices, if they create threats to others, that's different.
Right, way to take a stand and show some leadership, dude. Listen, I know this is a hot button issue, and honestly, I don't really care for either side of it. It doesn't involve me, and I don't see angels on either side of it, really. However, if you're trying to run a company like Microsoft, you can't have this sort of disruption to your business and the hijacking of your brand. And don't think I'm defending Microsoft here. I'm speaking philosophically. You can't run a business and have activists running wild in your office every week. It's not sustainable. And I don't think this corporate flack Brad Smith is equipped to deal with it at all. Look here at his Wikipedia page. In 2008, he literally forced his employees to give up their bonuses because they hired too many straight white men. This guy is not going to be able to solve this problem for Microsoft. So I think this could be fun to watch as Microsoft flounders about on this issue, but maybe Satya will step in and handle this for Brad. What a joke. But getting back to these protesters, I think you have to acknowledge it's a shrewd move. It looks like maybe 5 to 10 people have been able to cleverly leverage a global tech brand to get their message out, even if the message isn't really a compelling one for most people in America. But I'm sure some folks will see it differently. Feel free to drop a comment. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.